Hi Lavender Buds, welcome back to Lavender Afternoons. Tanya here. In this video, I just wanted to take you guys along with me while I create a fall Thanksgiving theme inspired altered book journal. Before we go into the video, I just wanted to take some time to say thank you, Lavender Buds. We are now over 300 subscribers. I am so excited. We are now at that milestone, and it's thanks to you all. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it all so much, and I look forward to what the future brings on this channel. If you could, guys, be sure to like this video. It really helps the channel. Leave a comment, let me know what you like about the video, what projects you're working on. We will go ahead and get started. We are just starting off with a used book here. I've already painted over the book. I just did it really fast with some acrylic paints that I had on hand. Color didn't come out the way I really wanted it. Gonna be doing something a little different than what I originally planned for this, but that's okay. The materials that I will be using to cover this book today are scrapbook paper, ribbon, and glue. The first thing I'm going to do is cover the book with these scrapbook papers. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and added these plaid sheets to the book here. Next, we're going to add on some of this ribbon trim here to this portion of the book here. This is a really pretty color. I love it. I thought that would look really good there. I'm going to be adding some more layers to this, so this will be just the start. I went ahead and added the green ribbon here to the sides. Next, I'm just going to be adding more ribbons and trims to the cover. So I went in and added these ribbons here to the binding portion of the book. Now I am gonna use some of this burlap. Okay guys, sorry for the choppy footage. I went ahead and added a burlap strip piece here, and I'm gonna add another here as well. Alright, so I went ahead and finished adding the burlap here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more elements. I think I'm gonna add some ribbon here. I was gonna leave this frayed, but it's not enough contrast there for me. Alright, so this is another look so far. Next, I wanted to add a little pen holder here at the back. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. These are two ribbons. I think I'm just going to take them and glue them and then glue it down. Alright, you guys, I went ahead and added that little tab there for my pins. Hi guys, just wanted to come in and say if you guys are enjoying this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, and if you would like to be notified when I post new videos, all you gotta do is hit the notification bell and YouTube will notify you as soon as I post. Next, I am deciding that I want to add these burlap leaves and fabric leaves that I got from the Dollar Tree onto the cover somewhere. So I'm gonna kind of just have fun with this and just kind of add them on with some glue. Really pretty. I think I just want to layer a little more of the leaves, so I think I just want to add a little more color. Okay, you guys, so this is what we have so far. Decided to bring out some buttons. I have so many of these that I'm just like, they have to go somewhere. Now, I'm just going in and adding some buttons to the front. They serve no purpose but to be cute as a button. So I went ahead and added the buttons here. They still have to do a little bit of drying. Went ahead and added some paper to cover this inner cover here, and I'm gonna go in and add this ribbon. I wanted to tie in this from this outside piece that I put here, so that's what I'm doing now. Gonna go ahead and add this orange here as well. Okay. All right, so this is the inner cover here that I added. Right, so I went ahead and added that to the back. So we have that there for the inner covers. Guys, so this is it. This is the cover and the start of our fall altered book journal. Really pretty. I love it so far. I'm still waiting on a few things to dry, so being a little careful. And then we also have our pen holder here. Alright, Lavender Buds, well, thank you so much again for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, as always, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, let me know what crafts you're working on for the season. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you would like YouTube to notify you when I post new videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!